Well, the other day I was out here at this yard. I wanted to get a video of this one, but time ran out of me. Actually, time's running out of me now. I might have 10-15 minutes left. 1990 Thunderbird Super Coupe. Pretty straight car. I think it's got some damage on that back quarter panel though. Yeah, there's nothing special about that. Is that a Crown Vic? In case somebody asks. Or is that a, oh, it's Grand Marquis. Or Grand Marquis. Last on the road around 2011-12. I think these started in '89. I just dropped that other video on that Turbo Coupe '88 that I found about a couple hours north of here. I like these two. I like the styling of them with the, especially with the, you know, the ground effects package, I guess you call it on these here. These things had independent rears. Then I read that these were the Cougar and the Mark 8, I believe, were the only North American cars that had independent rears outside of the Corvette. Pretty straight car. What's on this side, isn't it? There's a 90, right? Make sure. Yeah, 7 of 89. I think that's all. Yeah. Even down to the original floor mats. Some mileage reading on it. Is that 19,000? 119,000 now? And the wow, that headliner's in nice shape, man. Of course, these came in automatic and I think 5-speed. This one being an automatic. JVC CD changer. It's probably in the trunk, which I can't get in. There was no keys. I didn't find any. I don't really think anybody much sat back here. The seats are actually in nice shape. Yeah. So what I do like about these, I like the seats in these. They have something like they got your lumbar and they got your bolsters here. Yeah. Not in bad shape. A little issues here, but that other one's really nice. Let's see, Super Coupe. Let's see. Retrofit. Oh, they went to 34A. Yep. I wouldn't mind these seats, actually. To tell you the truth. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. It's a little rough. Well, take a quick look underneath the hood and call it a day. And there she is. That's pretty much all there. 3.8 liter. Supercharged. That little Eaton. I'm sure it's an Eaton, right? Eaton supercharger. Some people take these, try to retrofit them, or have actually, you know, modified them to fit under in other engines. That looks like some kind of, is that like an aftermarket pulley? Don't look like one that came on there originally. Yeah, it looks, I would have thought it'd be like maybe a steel one on that. It's aluminum. Well, check the oil real quick on this. I mean, it don't look, you know, I don't see metallic in there or milk chocolate. When they retrofit this thing, I can't really. What's that? 97 maybe. Well, there it is, people. There she is, the Super Coupe. One thing about this yard is that they typically don't, when they set them out here, they last a while before they get crushed. If they set on the other side of that of the crusher, they go like that. Yeah, that Grand Marquis ain't nothing special about that. There's a Caprio there, convertible. Nothing special about that either. All right, people. I guess that'll do her. On to the next one.